G'day guys, welcome back to the channel. Got a slight problem with the Pajero for those four-wheel drive enthusiasts, or even in general. So the main battery sitting here not being used, was running low, was getting the car, nothing started. So had a battery problem where it was just, as normally, they leak down. So I wanted to fix it. So what I did do, I just bought this off eBay cheap for, I think it was, I don't know, 20 bucks or something, and it slowly trickles into this main battery. Okay, so I've sorted that. But the back one, I've got two batteries. The back one, it's completely kaput. It's down to, I don't know what it was, 3 volts or something like that. So that's what we're going to do today. We're going to have a look at fixing that back battery, keep it up to charge. So let's go have a look, see what I'm going to do. Anyone's been following the channel, I did videos way back on the Pajero. If you want to have a look back at that, you can, but in here I've got a second battery set up in here, so I'll bring you in closer a little bit. So I've got it set up, so all I've got to do is slide the window, and I can check, or I don't even have to slide the window, sorry, but I can check. And so, it's been a while. Even these here, I've replaced them on both sides because they're that brittle. The plastic, they snap, so I end up getting replacements. So here you can see we're way below the 13 odd, 12, 8, 13 something should be. I've actually got an isolator switch here and I leave it on because I want the main one to charge and I just forget. So I'm going to leave it on now because something to go in here. We'll go have a look and see what it is. Okay. Actually, before we do that, I'll show you what I've got. Just a bit of a recap for anyone that wants to have a look possibly. I've got the rear lights set up and they've got a switch in the front of the cab. I can turn off and on. The wheels, of course, I'm really happy with them, nice and cheap. The solid as rock sliders, both sides. Did this all myself, whole video on that. That was a massive job for me, never done it before. Roof rack, I put a dent in there, won't tell you how. About the only thing with this vehicle is this back door being heavy. With all the weight it does drop, but here's what I've got set up. So I've got a full drawer that comes in and out. That's got all my recovery gear and bits and pieces. Here's where old mate Dozer sit. This is his little home here. Eventually I want to put a fridge freezer here, but that's my setup here. So you can see it's all Kings, and this is another volt meter that's, I don't know why it's doing that. Maybe it's just, yeah, I think it's trying to say 3 point something. But yeah, this is where I've got everything hooked up. Fuses here. I've got the lights, so the lights I can switch them on. These ones at the back, I can switch them on from here as well if there's enough power. Not enough power to do that. I've got ports here, got the USBs, and I've got more switches here to hook up other stuff. Got a little note for what I'm running here inside. It's a 30 amp fuse. So now I've got to work out, I can't remember which one it goes into. Let's go see how we're going to set this up. So this is something I've been wanting to do for a long time because that battery just keeps on, well, it's got down and died now, and that's after probably a year I've had it set up. So this is what I've got going on. Got an extension lead. Okay, that was on sale, really cheap, 6 meters. These are discontinued, So I picked it up for really good price. I think it was like 40 bucks. And this is this one here. Here's another solar like on the Commodore I've got for this battery, and these only run, it's hardly even 1 amp that they're putting into the battery, but it's enough just to trickle charge and to keep it full without anything else, any other electrics. Hasn't burnt down or blown up. Battery's not in there at the moment, but so this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to set this up somewhere where it's going to get continuous sunlight, plug the lead in and plug it into the vehicle. So it comes over, it's all nicely wrapped. Here's the back. It's a fairly short cord, lead, and we've got a lot of information. It's got a warranty card, so I'm just going to flip it over. I think it weighs about this. It's way big for what I need in general to do what the little one here is doing, but it was on sale, and the lead as well. So it looks like it's all intact. It's not cracked or anything, that's always good. That's the particulars. You do have to buy separate brackets. Okay, so I got the better of me. I've got 3,000 million things from the shed now, and I'm going to do it proper. I'm going to stick it up on the roof there. So I've got some roofing strap I'm going to hold it down with, and shouldn't take too long to zip and get it up there. So let's get into it before it rains. Drill, big bit, smaller bit, strap, cutters. Now I'm going to put the lead to the edge. That should work out quite good. Nice and flat for heaps of birds to shit everywhere. More. Get that. There should give me heaps. Should give me heaps. I've got to do this quick because it's about to rain. Alright, that's actually quite good. That is really nice and snug. So this will make it nice and cyclone proof. Alright, let's get the next one. Less yapping. It's really good to get any new iron filings. It's going to piss down soon, but you want to get iron filings off. Every little iron filing, yeah, it's going to rust. If you leave it there, as small as it is, you got to hose it down thoroughly, blow it off. You've got to get rid of it, guys. That one's much better, but that's not going anywhere. That's it, heaps of oil. Excellent. We'll get my non-waterproof camera out of the rain again. So that's it from here, guys. Anchored down, that's cyclone strapping. Goose. I'm hoping and plug this in. Man, my hat completely drenched. It's 400 degrees. It's 2000% humidity at the moment. Tropical North Queensland. Whew. That's in. Oh, I've got 6.8. How the heck? How come I've got 6.8 now? I had 3 before. Is that coming up on the camera? I don't know if that's showing up properly. Because I'm looking through the camera lens, it's doing the numbers are doing the old wobble. 6.5. Oh, must be putting something in because 6.5. Turn it off. 6.59, 6.4. There you go, it's fluctuating. I'm going to hold that button in a little bit longer, see if we can get a reading. Pinching it. And that's completely shut now. So that there's not pinching it. So hopefully when I go for a drive, I hop in and forget that it's there. And by the time I get down the end of the hill, I turn around and just see a bit of cord hanging there. Okay, so see you tomorrow, guys. See you very shortly. And my battery's about to die here as well. We'll see how much charge is put in, and I'm going to change it because I think I've got it just directly to the battery, not through the DC charger. So I'll do that. So we'll have a look at the so it's gone up, look at that, 11.9. Come around, and we can see here yesterday on that had 6. When I did finish, it had 6, so that's 11.8 now. So this is the green one, that's what I've got to plug it into. And that's it, guys, done. So really happy. So that's not even 24 hours it's been plugged in, of course overnight, so you halve that to 12 or so hours of daylight. So yeah, it was especially on the box, this one here, it was 3.3 before I started doing this. So for me, good result, done. It's been something I wanted to do at the start, but it's just money. It's always, as everyone knows, it's money for this, money for that. But now I'm not going to kill a $200 odd battery. It's only sort of come down. This is the first time it's been flat. So hopefully it lasts a lot longer, and I've got gauges to keep an eye on it as well. I can pop it and check the green because these are AGM, I think it's called, or lead acid, the old type. They're not the ones that will burn my vehicle down. Ha ha. Till next time, guys, take care, and see you then.